Ready to create some deliciously cute ice creams? Let's dive in. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's start. First up, a popsicle. Draw a long stick shape, add a rounded rectangular block on top, and don't forget those groovy lines. Next, let's make a soft serve. Twist that marker and create those delightful swirls. Round and round we go, making a yummy soft serve treat. Now, it's cone time. Draw a triangle shape with lines for texture. A triangle for the cone, lines for texture, looking fantastic. Last but not least, an ice cream on a stick. Straight lines and a little rectangle. Straight lines and a cute little rectangle. What a lovely ice cream stick.
Cool!
Now, let's make those outlines bold and sharp, just like a real artist. Bold lines make our ice creams pop. Time to add some color. Let's grab our colors and name them as we go. Color time. Purple color. Blue color. Yellow color. Red color. Brown color. Orange color. Brown color. Orange color. green color. Yellow color. Pink color. Sea green color. Dark purple color. Green color. Red color. Brown color. Orange color. Pink color. Dark pink color. Pink red color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Brown color. Orange color. Now, grab your black marker again. Let's add some flair with dots and dashes. Dots here, dashes there. Look at our ice creams getting fancy. Well done, little artists.
Awesome!
Your ice creams look scrumptious. Keep creating and exploring with Toddler's Art Hub. Until next time, happy drawing! Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.